Welcome to CarterSeat. What we're doing today, chicken and waffles, brunch mukbang, chicken and waffles. Come on in, tell a neighbor, tell a friend, comment, commit, and stick. Welcome to CarterSeat. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. Come on in, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. Telling you, turn your notification bells on from gray to black. This is where you want to be. I hope you're having a great day. It's chicken and waffles. First meal of the day. Lipstick on. That's how hungry I really don't. I'm just going to do it to you like that. It's a chicken and waffle. What do you think we should cut from? I'm going to take production down. One nanner. You like it? The song is like literally in my head. Just wanna praise you forever and ever for all. Juicy. Go ahead, Lisa. I'm gone. Do it, girl. I did. Smack the duck. It's been smacked. Go on, girl. I got my luggage. Her channel, please. Oh, I know what I can do. Hold on. Y'all let me lose a dang on strawberry. Cheers. Ooh. Oh, been a minute. Been a minute since I've had orange juice. Thank you, Waffle. Now, you can pick it up. You can just put syrup all over everything and just pick it up and bite it. You can put an egg on top. It is my chicken and waffle sandwich mukbang brunch. There's nothing like the salty and the sweet of the fried chicken, pancakes and fried chicken. Lisa, you really smacked it up with that fried chicken. It's not easy to get a breast right. Can't always get a breast right. This is a straight eating show. I ain't come to play with y'all. I ain't come to call you Dionne Warwick or Gladys Knight. Came to eat. I'm about to get in these streets. It is impeccable. Hubs is at work. Kids are back in school. I get to get in the kitchen and get freaking with it. I 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 get freaking with it. You want a bite? Outstanding, Lisa. Thank you, girl. You did that. Thank you, sis. That was the chicken sandwich that I wanted. I went right through the chicken breast. Look at that perfectly cooked chicken backed up against the wall. You know what? No one know the brine? The brine was milk and orange juice. Here's what I want you to do. Do. Here's what I want you to do. Come on, chicken. Yard bird. Just wanna praise you forever and ever for all. Isn't that what they said? Don't sing at the table. I feel a song in my heart today. Make sure you brine your chicken breast. It's the only way we're ever going to eat chicken breast. K-Dot spicy, cumin, Lowry's, garlic salt. There's a video. When the syrup's gone, I'm gone. Ooh. How they say on TikTok. Ooh. Bookie, boo. Ba-ba. Ba-ba. Ooh. I think that's a bone. Okay. I thank you for letting me go. Lord Jesus, we done ate the whole breast. Because it was good. That's why we ate the whole thing. Ooh, that was a nice brunch. Worked out today. That was the oven. Sorry. Well, nobody likes the chicken breast. But this chicken breast, how Bunky say it, bussin'. Okay. That's too much white meat up there. I got everything I need back here. Vicky's World. Tony from Miss Louisiana Housewife. Maria from Maria M.R TV. essence of Sonya, Santi, and Smack the Duck, Vicky of Vicky's World, Lisa, an author of CarterEats. We coming in here, bringing you our best in the month of September. Waffle sandwich. Mukbang brunch. I thank you for coming. It was better than good. I hope you decide to subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video. Go through our playlist and share us out. Leave a comment. It lets YouTube know I'm here. I want you to come back. I want to see you again. I want to get a praise report from you. Look for me on Instagram. Be good to your man and better to yourself. Pray and talk and cease without praying. Pray without cease without praying. Pray without ceasing. Cease without praying. Pray without ceasing. I love y'all. Alcohol.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough,